In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add privacy policy to Wix website. By the end, you'll know how to check whether your template already includes a privacy policy page, how to create one if it doesn't, how to customize the content so it's clear and professional, and how to make sure visitors can easily find it in your navigation or footer. Many Wix templates come with a privacy policy page already set up. When you open your site in the Wix editor, look at the Pages panel on the left. Scroll through your list of pages and see if there's one labeled Privacy Policy or something similar. If it's there, great. Open it and you're ready to customize the content. If you don't see a privacy policy page, creating one is quick. In the Pages panel on the left, click the plus icon to add a new page. Choose Page to create a standard page and give it a clear, simple name like Privacy Policy so visitors know exactly what it is. You'll now have a blank page ready to edit. Next, customize the page by adding text elements and headings. Start with a heading at the top that says Privacy Policy. Below that, add text boxes for each section you want to include. Keep your language simple and direct. Common sections include an introduction that explains what the page covers, what information you collect, how and why it's used, whether cookies or analytics are involved, whether any third-party tools are used, how users can manage their preferences, and how you handle updates to the policy. Use headings for each section to keep the page easy to scan, and make sure the font and spacing match your site's style for a consistent look. If you're adapting a template or example, carefully tailor the details so they accurately reflect how your site operates. It's always a good idea to review the content for clarity and correctness. Once your content is in place, make the page easy to find. Add it to your main navigation or your footer so it's visible on every page. In the Wix editor, open your site menu and add the privacy policy page so it appears in your navigation bar. Or go to your footer and add a text link that points to the privacy policy page. The footer is a common location and helps keep your header uncluttered while still being compliant and user-friendly. That's all. You've checked for an existing page, created one if needed, customized it with clear headings and text, and added it to your navigation or footer so visitors can access it anytime.